From its iconic fizz to its refreshing taste, soda like Coca-Cola has been a beloved beverage for generations. But have you ever wondered how this popular drink is made? Let's take a journey through the fascinating process of soda production. It all starts with the recipe. The precise formulation of ingredients is a closely guarded secret, but it generally includes carbonated water, sugar or sweeteners, flavorings, and caffeine. Let's break down each component. First, the main ingredient, carbonated water. This is simply water infused with carbon dioxide gas under high pressure, creating those signature bubbles that make soda so refreshing. Next, sugar or sweeteners are added. Traditional sodas use high fructose corn syrup or cane sugar, while diet varieties use artificial or natural sweeteners like aspartame or stevia. The sugar is mixed into the carbonated water to achieve the desired level of sweetness. The magic of soda lies in its flavorings. Coca-Cola, for instance, uses a blend of natural flavors, including extracts from fruits, spices, and other ingredients. These flavors are carefully mixed to create the iconic taste we all know and love. Once all the ingredients are prepared, they are blended together in large mixing tanks. This step ensures that the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the liquid, creating a consistent taste. Quality control is a critical part of the process. Samples are taken at various stages to ensure the soda meets strict standards for taste, color, and carbonation. Any deviations are quickly corrected to maintain product consistency. Now it's time to bottle the soda. The liquid is pumped into a filling machine, which dispenses the perfect amount into each bottle or can. The containers are then sealed with caps or lids to keep the carbonation intact. Next, the bottles and cans are labeled with brand-specific designs and packed into cases for distribution. The packaging not only provides information, but also helps protect the soda during transportation. Finally, the finished products are loaded onto trucks and shipped to stores around the world. From there, they make their way to your local grocery store, ready for you to enjoy. So, the next time you crack open a refreshing Coca-Cola, you'll know the intricate journey it took to reach your hands. From the precise mix of ingredients to the rigorous quality checks, every step ensures that you get the perfect sip every time. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into your favorite products.